So this week I uploaded a digital download on my own personal website, and I've been working on this for a long time, which actually means I was thinking about it a long time and I didn't do anything about it. So this week I just put everything together and created this nice, neat guide for you to understand how to install WooCommerce on WordPress to create your own little e-commerce and enable the selling of digital downloads. Today you can start doing that. It's easy, it's simple. It's just like installing another plugin on your website. So great thing to do and easy way to monetize your website. So yeah, go check it out and let me know once you've uploaded your first product, and send me a link to the product, post it here, so to share it and to give your product an SEO boost right away. Also, another thing I've been doing, nothing to do at all with digital stuff, is I created a heating system for warm water, to have warm water in our house, to avoid electrical expenses. I basically put a large roll of black PVC tubing on top of the roof and guided this through the hot water system, and now in daytime we have nice running hot water on high pressure, totally nice warm water system for the house for less than $100. So that is something that might be something cool for you to implement as well if you're living in a place where it's quite warm in daytime and you have the sun shining to heat up your water for free, basically. Why pay for electricity to heat up your water? So that's really awesome as well. I don't have any photos of that yet, so right after that I will go make some. See you guys.